Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by prepping your Mac and Azure Access. Install Homebrew if missing, because it simplifies tools installation, then run brew update. Next, create or confirm an Azure account and copy your subscription and tenant ID for later authentication. Once done, install the Azure CLI using brew install Azure CLI so you can script deployments. Make sure your macOS user has admin privileges. This avoids permission errors during install. Finally, open Terminal and test as version to confirm the CLI is ready. You now authenticate and configure the CLI to target resources smoothly. Run as login and follow the browser-based flow. This grants the CLI permissions tied to your account. Once authenticated, set your default subscription with as account set subscription ID so commands run in the right context. Then, configure defaults like resource group and location with as configure defaults group equals RG location equals Eastus to speed up deployments. If you work with multiple tenants, use as account set subscription repeatedly. You finish by deploying, verifying, and handling common failures. Use as group create to make a resource group, then as VM create or as web up to deploy services. These commands accept a config file for repeatability. Test endpoints locally with curl and validate network rules via as network commands. If deployment fails, inspect your identity with as account show, confirm defaults with as configure, and rerun the failing command with debug for detailed logs. If permissions block you, check role assignments in the Azure portal or re-authenticate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.